Hello everyone, I'm Ashna Khan. Welcome to my channel, and today I am going to be reviewing Minari, which I recently saw on Amazon Prime, and it is being hailed as one of the best movies of 2020. Minari is a 2020 American drama film written and directed by Lee Isaac Chung, and it has amazing star cast. So let us dwell into this movie and get to know more about this movie so that we can decode what makes this movie so special. Minari is actually a story of a family which has saved and struggled, and now they have saved enough to come to America to live the great American dream. As you know, American dream or life in America is actually the ultimate goal for people from developing countries. Everyone wants to achieve that, and when they have achieved that, they feel that they have finally arrived in their life. So here a Korean family strives to start a life in America. But American dream is that elusive dream that always eludes everyone. Here too, this family sees themselves in a far away isolated land. That is what they can afford. They can't afford more than that, and it is like almost like a jungle type of place where they are. Forest area where they want to set up or rather the father wants to set up the farm, and he wants it to be the biggest farm. And then in that storyline, we see the grandmother from Korea. She comes to America to live with them, and the children who are actually imbibing the American culture, they find themselves in difficulty adjusting to the old cultural ways which the grandmother brings to them. At one point of time, we see that the child is not does not address the grandmother as a real grandmother. He says that she's not a real grandmother because he has seen the typical American grandmothers who always bake cookies and cakes, and they talk in very polished, refined manners. And here is the Korean grandmother who swears and who is rural in her ways, and she is a source of embarrassment to the children. And so we see how the family is actually accepting the newer ways of America, trying to adjust, trying to fit in, and how they are giving up their cultural, or they are slowly fading away from their cultural existence. We see that the grandmother brings with her seeds of a herb called minari, which forms actually the title of the movie, and she just harvest them or put them under the near the stream where this minari herb starts to grow in the American soil, which is a metaphor for the growth of this family in American soil, in a strange land where they have no connection, where they have no ties to, and how this Korean herb, is slowly growing and trying to fit in the American soil. So that is what I can say till now about the movie. Otherwise, I will be giving away a lot of the plot line. So here the good and the bad, if we discussing the pros and the cons of the movie, we see that the good points are actually way more than the bad points. So the good points actually are that when you see these people, they are living in the story. As the progresses, these characters become all the more real. You start rooting for them. The first and foremost scene which takes you to the house, which is not a proper house, it is actually a house on wheels, which is called trailer. And you instantly feel how the children are going to live safely, and you feel the sense of nervousness or the sense of anxiety dawning upon you as this family goes through ups and downs in their life. So here we have the real life 3D characters who are living their life, and we are starting to root for them. The story is slowly progresses towards, and it sucks you into this world of the which the director, the writer has created. The bad point was actually, it's not a bad point actually, but you will not find any turning points or like amazing arcs in the characters which you are so expecting to watch when you are watching a movie. Here you see a slow, and the pace is will actually test your patience, but and there is no edge of the seat thrilling moments in this movie, or the overall change of characters or the change of heart in this movie. So it is a heartwarming, real life story which throws light on the plight of people who come from various parts of the world and want to settle in America to live the great Indian dream. Thank you so much. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with more such reviews. Do comment if you want any particular show, or if you want any particular movie to be reviewed, and also comment if you have watched this movie and what you think of it. I'll be back with many more such videos. Thank you so much for watching.